Hello everyone, welcome to another Titan tutorials video. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the reverse light on your Nissan Titan. Should take you under 10 minutes. The standard size for these light bulbs is 921 is the number that you're going to be looking for your reverse lights. We picked up a Silver Star wider light. They're made by Sylvania. You can see the package here, so that's what we're going to be installing today. So let's go ahead and get started. Should take under 5 minutes. So to get the tail light and reverse light assembly off, we have to remove two 10mm bolts from the inside of the tailgate. So we have the tailgate down already. The first bolt is going to be right up here. Get that one pulled off. The second one is down here towards the bottom. And as soon as we have both of those off, we just have to pull this tailgate assembly right off. Now that we have the 10mm bolts off of the assembly, we just have to pull this tail light assembly right off. It'll come right out. And the two bulbs that we need are going to be these at the bottom. So here's the top of your assembly. Those are your brake lights, the top two. Then down here at the bottom is the utility light that we were talking about, which this package offers, and the reverse light as well down here at the very bottom. To get these lights off, we just need to turn the bolts counterclockwise. They'll both come right out. And once we have those bulbs, it's just a matter of pulling them out of the housing right there, out of the socket. Drop those over here. After that, it's just a matter of placing the lights back into the tail light assembly. So this one at the very bottom is our reverse light. We'll get that in there and turn it clockwise until it's secure. We'll do the same for this utility light here towards the bottom. And once we have both of the lights back into the assembly, we just need to realign the tail light assembly with two plugs, one at the top and one towards the bottom. Those will just snap in place, and then we'll replace these two 10mm screws. The one at the top and the one here towards the bottom. And that's all we have to do. We're just going to take our ratchet, make sure that these are nice and tight. The one at the top, another screw here at the bottom. And that's it. Those lights are completely installed. I'll put the product link in the description if you're interested in buying these same Silver Star Sylvania reverse lights. So thank you very much for joining us today, and we'll see you next time at Titan Tutorials.